races out. Yeah, Majestic Queen. That's the begin. Moving up on the outside now is Manley. Princess Adarna. Kiss Me. Power of the Wind comes next. Touch of Class. Highway Builder. Don Sentry. Looney Tune. Malihim. Alam mo na yan. And on the outside, Zabor, the Champagne Guardian. And Perfection is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, Highway Builder running on the outside. Down on the inside now, Majestic Queen. Dropping back in third, Manley. 4 lengths so import, Princess Adarna. Touch of Class is racing him Tipa. Then comes Power of the Wind. Malihim is down on the inside. Alongside Looney Tune, Kiss Me. Don Sentry, Zabor the Champagne. Guardian, alam mo na yan. And Perfection is still racing in last. Majestic Queen takes the lead by about 3 for the Balenka. Highway Builder is on the outside second. Manley in third, and comes Malihim. Don Sentry. Majestic Queen by about 2 lengths. Highway Builder still in second. Manley in third. Malihim now coming closer in fourth. As they come down the last one word. And still Majestic Queen. Malihim is down on the inside. Majestic Queen by the leg. Malihim down on the inside to grab the lead. It's now Malihim by about 3 lengths over Majestic Queen, and finally Malihim. Majestic Queen, Guardian, then comes Zabor the Champagne, Don Sentry, Highway Builder for your Super 6.